Hi everybody, today we would like to show you how to clean your Silcskin Anti-Wrinkle Silicone Pads. Take your pad off the plastic backing sheet, apply the Silcskin cleanser, like so, just the tiniest amount is all that's needed. Take a little bit of warm water, smooth that around and take your fingertips and wash the surface of that pad like so. Rinse that underneath warm water and then shake your pad to get the excess water removed. Now you can take a hairdryer to dry the surface of that pad, or you can let them dry naturally. The reason we encourage the use of a hairdryer is because you are avoiding all the dust particles settling on the surface of that pad while it's drying, and that will improve the life of it. Place your pad back on the plastic tray that is supplied with it, just like that.